top of the beads. You're not gonna do it right on the top of the crystal, which is in this design. We just had a couple of cute crystal, but we're gonna check it on this. We're not gonna seal the top of the crystal because you don't want to seal it to get it. All of them are like getting those and affecting it. So we are going to cure for 60 seconds on this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one. It looks really cool though. It's getting a great background. So I'm gonna seal it on the top of the beads, but go around with the crystal. You're gonna see, feeling any sketchy, or go ahead and seals it in. Seal the beads and the frame and the bars, but not the crystals. Crystal, I'm gonna check around to make sure, because the condensed glue gels and no white top coat is already like a double secure. So this is precision glue gels will be is like a final completely to make it like triple secure. So I'm using on the other end of a twin tip brush. Okay, and then you are going to cure for 60 seconds. I just wipe it off to all of the excess precision glue gel to prevent from getting lumpy. Okay, so great. That's here. You got this design, simple, quick and easy. This two, we did this too yesterday. Give you like a lot of fun designs for fall. Hey, thanks so much, Dom. Here, let me to clear this one.